Alright. So, stress test round 2. I took the power jet and dink, cut it in half, right where the jet part comes out. And you could see, well, you could see from this end. That's your suction right there. And then there's your jet. Comes in and then tapers down and turns into a jet, this end here. So I thought, well, let's see what else we can do. We already ran over this one with a car. Let's do some temperature tests. We'll take it and freeze it overnight and beat on it and maybe find something else we can do with it. See if it'll still hold up. So it's just after 7 in the evening. Here's the power jet. Let's take it over here. Toss it in the freezer. Right down there. And we'll put it there for, I don't know, at least 12 hours. And then we'll beat on it. Yay. So it's been just over 12 hours in the freezer. And the rain's finally stopped. So, last night about midnight, I tossed 3/4 inch in there. Ooh, get chilly. So I can pull these guys out and we'll go beat on them. Well, if I ever decide to eat worms, I just gotta wait till it rains. I know where I can find some. Dink. Boy, the wind really did a number on the barbecue. Let's clean up this mess. And I did it right here. So I've actually left the PVC and the power jet in the freezer while I play with these guys. You want to go home? There you go. And the reason I left them in the freezer is because I thought I would get this set up here, and then I can pull them out and bring them straight from a frozen state to getting introduced to the grandpa hammers. So this one, we're going to call this the CCH pounder. This cheap crushing hammer pounder. And this guy, I think his name should be, let's call him Sean Peen. He's got a hard head. Balance. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, I'll go grab those and let's start beating on them. Hey, Cletus, go fetch my swinging wrench. Alright, so here's the control. Still nice and frosty. And let's see what's happened. Well, shoot. That didn't last very long. Maybe Sean Peen. Well, poop. That's the control. Now I got a big mess to clean up. Holy cow. Alright, well. Here's this one. You'd still see all the frost on there. Let's try this one right at the jet. That's where I want to try it. Well, at least it held up better, but I've already split it. The jet. Oh, you just need a little bit of duct tape. Sean Peen. Ow. There's that part. Where'd the other part go? Oh no. Flew off here somewhere. Let me... Oh, right there. So I cracked that. Well, we might as well just destroy it now, because... Well, at least it held up better than the PVC. Slightly better. Okay, that one just kind of smushed. Maybe if I do a little more infill on the sides, it would be stronger. I'm surprised how strong this stuff is. Keep in mind, the PVC was in the freezer 5 hours less than this. And this held up a lot better. Well, there's a side-by-side comparison. That didn't take very long. This obviously held up a little bit better than this, but they both got destroyed. So, I guess the PVC and my power jet is no match for CCH Pounder. Grandpa Hammer. There you go. Jeez, that was easy.